Bear snores on. In a cave in the woods, in his deep dark lair through the long cold winter, sleeps a great brown bear. One day, an itty bitty mouse crawls in the cave from the cold snow. He makes a fire, but the bear snores on. Next, a hare hops in, so they pop white corn and they brew black tea. But the bear snored on. And then a badger came in. The badger brings honey nuts. And they nibble and they munch with a chew, chomp, crunch. But the bear snores on. A gopher and a mole tunneled up through the floor, then a wren and a raven fluttered in through the door. They tweet and they titter, they chat and they chitter, but the bear snores on.